France right now. Okay. Go right here. Down by 2. In Switzerland. Down, down left by 1. Down by 1. Down right by 1. Down left by 2. Le- down left by 2. By the way, it's called red concrete, blue concrete, white concrete, yellow concrete, here, here. Okay, I'm done. Down, left, down, left by one, left, left by one, up, left by one, left, down, left by one, down by one, down, left by one, down by one, left by one, up, left by one, left by one, with yellow concrete, just put one, this, up and left by one, and left by 1, 2, 3, 4. Mm, okay. 3, up left by 1, left by 1, up left by 1, left by 1, up left by 1, up right by 1, up right by 1, up by 1, 2, 3. After this, okay, we do this pattern. Okay, guys, this is the pattern. We do that like this. Okay, like this. Yeah. There. That's it. Go here. Up left by 1. Up by 1. Up left by 2. Up by 1. Up by up left by 1. Sorry. Right by 1. Right by 1. Right by 1. Come here. Do this pattern too. Like this. Right. You know why it's raining? So, not the Belgium. Okay. These are progress of France. Do this pattern in Belgium. Like that. Up, up left by 1, left by 1. Up by 2, up by 1. Up left by 1, up by, left by, right by 1, 2. Do up by 3 we do placing block on the second. And the third, go to the left and put one block and the second block. Hmm. So we're gonna be finished. Up left by 1, up down by down right by 1, left by 3, right by 3, up by 2, left by left by 2, left by 2, left left by 2. Do do that, do this, make it this, that this, remember, put blue confidence in your back. and go here. Bedroom that has this, and then here. The center will be white. The blue left the left will be blue and right will be the way I forgot. So let's see the and this will be our fans. By the way, the replacement blocks are not actually the replacement block. Mm, Replacement block will be same for what bucket. So I will limit the replacement blocks until when I finish the entire. By the way, this will be your fans. Bye.